Yeah, nigga Kevin wait. Used to be broke every day. Watching I pull out that riff. A lot of these girls they gon' hate. Better stay out of the way. Yeah, put you down in the grave. My water ain't come out of the lake. Yeah, nigga by the face.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is gonna be a quick little video on how I cut my hair like this. So this is the same hair that was in my previous video, the hair from Amazon Nudula Hair. It was originally a 10-inch closer, 12, 14, and 16-inch bundle, and I chopped it up, and you guys are gonna see how I did that. This is my first time cutting hair. It wasn't that bad. I did run into a little hiccup that was fixed, so you guys will see that in this video. But yeah, I don't really have much else to say. I don't have much else to say, so let's get right onto this video.
Ain't doing minimum wages. If you get caught, never say shit. Came a long way from the basement. Yeah, they fucked up. Let a nigga run it up. I don't even give a fuck. I'm in control. All of these niggas gon' fold. We get it them by the load. Hey, hey. I got a man on the side. I think I'm living two lives. They talking down, then we gon' pick up that fire. Don't need a map when we slide. Hey, Gucci a tie, young nigga fly. Bad. Look in my eyes, we'll take your life. By the check, Hannah. Boy, I just hopped out the fountain. My shorty throwing a tantrum. Girl, what the fuck is your manners? Hannah, mirror. Shorty think that I'm a scammer. Young nigga stacking up cheddar. Might take a trip to Atlanta. I look too lost like a Molly. Hannah. Boy, I just hopped out the fountain. My shorty throwing a tantrum. Girl, what the fuck is your manners? Hannah, mirror. Shorty think that I'm a scammer. Young nigga stacking up cheddar. Might take a trip to Atlanta. I'm stacking paper, my nigga. Got no time to hate on these niggas. Got no time to play with these niggas. So don't try to play with me, nigga. I hang around all the shotters. My kicks is Balenciaga, don't do the Prada. Bitch, I'm a robber. Hit from the back and she calling me father. Girl, when we done, it's sayonara. I'm popping seals, purp with the water. She popping pussy. This is a problem. Way that I'm living this shit out of order. Damn. I feel like I'm Molly, I feel like I'm Hannah. My shawty petty, that's why I can't stand it. This ain't no ghost, this here a phantom. Y'all nigga flashy, they call me Hannah. Boy, I just hopped out the fountain. My shawty throwing a tantrum. Girl, what the fuck is your manners? Hannah, mirror. Shawty think that I'm a scammer. Young nigga stacking up cheddar. Might take a trip to Atlanta. I look too lost like a Molly. Hannah. Boy, I just hopped out the fountain. My shawty throwing a tantrum. Girl, what the fuck is your manners? Hannah, mirror. Shawty think that I'm a scammer. Young nigga stacking up cheddar. Might take a trip to Atlanta.
Oh. But yeah, so my suggestion to you is to cut the hair while it's on your head, which I'm going to have to try to figure out right now, but yeah, I think I like this length. This is how it looks so far, and I'm going to try to fix it.
You acting so damn tough, now you don't wanna open up. Look, I just wanna peek inside your mind, see what I can find. And if our souls can link, I think that we could synchronize. Like Army watches, just know I'm cautious. I took too many losses. I started swimming and sinning inside a sea of hoes. And all it did was push me back from reaching all my goals. You say you're a pawn in my life. I say you're a rookie overnight. Making moves just to save my life. Show me love when it's right. When love is real, it finds its way back. Till then I find ways to detach. Thought I was the one to know your heart. Thought I connected to that part, but I couldn't get a hold of you. I hope you know I still love you. I just wanna be Bonnie Clyde. Remember you said we ride or die. Cause love ain't just a feeling, it's commitment. And I love you no matter what, yeah. You're the lion in the jungle of my heart. And no one else connected to that part. That's why you stay on my mind, no matter the time, no bias. Can we talk about some peace? Kids starving in the street and nobody wanna speak down. And my homegirl lost a father. I don't wanna be a bother, but I do not
Alright, thank you guys for watching my video. This is how the hair came out. Anyways, I like it because I cut it short because it was like my bundles I got were not that long anyways, and it was just like a weird length for me. I feel like straight hair should be really long or cut it short. So I cut it short, and plus I'm doing something on the beach for my birthday, and I did not want my hair to be like really long and on me. So this should be fine. This should work. I was thinking about dyeing the hair, but I don't know. Might just leave it dark. It's probably just because I'm indecisive. I don't know what color I want to dye. Is it weird that I keep like, I can't see myself right now, so I'm really just talking to the camera, so I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I look like. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can see other videos of mine. If you like this video, just, you know, click that like button. And yeah, see you guys later. Bye.
Too afraid to face my fears. It's too late 'cause they all here. No love.